Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to back up my Google contacts. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To back up your Google contacts on Android device, follow these steps. Now, what we need to do is to ensure the sync is enabled. To do this, just go to the Contacts app on your Android device. Then tap on the three lines, tap on the Manage Contacts, and go to the Sync Contacts. And here we need to make sure the sync to your chosen Google account is enabled. Another method, let's do the manual backup of Google Contacts. Now, go back on the Manage Contacts, and here tap on the Export Contacts, then tap Allow. Choose the account you want to export contacts from if you have multiple accounts, or choose on the section. So for now, I choose SD card. Tap Export to VCF file. This will save your contacts to a VCF file on your device. You can also choose where to save the file on your device or share it via email, Google Drive, or another app for safekeeping. By following these steps, you can ensure your Google contacts are safely backed up and easily retrievable if you need to restore them in the future. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.